Welcome to Kashmir Crown News. Dear viewers, today we are celebrating International Women's Day. And Kashmir Crown is also celebrating this day. Once we speak about women's, we have to speak about the rights of women as well as the responsibilities. Today we bring this broadcast from Girls Higher Secondary School Baramulla, where an impressive function was organized here by Kashmir Crown as well as the video volunteers. Today with me are so many women who are actually going to express their views on different things which are actually related to the women lot. First of all, there is a woman with me. Please tell your name.
My name is Tabassum.
Tabassum. What is the message from your side today? We celebrate International Women's Day, particularly in Jammu and Kashmir. What would be your message?
That honor and respect women.
Good. Your name, please.
My name is Mona.
What's your message?
That if woman thinks out of box, don't criticize her. In fact, you should encourage her.
You should encourage.
Yeah.
Encouragement.
Yes.
Okay. Now let me go to next. Please tell your name.
Yeah, I'm Shaista.
Shaista. What is your message?
That if we follow the Islamic path, we will definitely be highly empowered.
Thank you, Shaista. Yes, next women. Please.
Harpal Kaur.
Harpal Kaur.
Yeah.
Yes.
I need security for the women.
Security for the women. In terms of?
If a woman go for job, he needs security. A lady is not secure in buses,
Okay.
in gambling, etc.
Okay. That's a great idea. Okay. You please, ma'am, tell me your
My
name.
name is Tanvira. I
Tanvira.
want everyone have to honor.
What's your profession?
As in education, I am
Good.
master. Everyone have to honor and respect women.
Okay. Honor and respect for women. That's great actually coming out from this lot. Yes, with me is Advocate Nilofer. Nilofer, please.
I just want independence and equality for women in every field, in each and every field.
Honor and equality.
Independence.
Independence.
Independence in the sense to take decisions of her own, where she'll be free to do anything she likes to do and she wishes to do.
Okay. That's great message down the line. Nighat, you tell me please, आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा, क्या पैगाम होगा आज ख्वातीन के हवाले से?
बस मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि वुमेन्स आगे बढ़े और किसी से ना डरे, जो उनका मन करे अच्छे के लिए और अच्छा करे, और जब भी कोई भी मुसीबत आए वो डट के लड़े, ना किसी से डरे और ना ही किसी को डराए.
बिल्कुल, डर के आगे आखिर जीत है. तो बिल्कुल, since what about the men? Men actually celebrate this day actually back to their homes every day with this women lot. Now with me is Kashmir Crown. Actually, Kashmir Crown also believes in women empowerment. We have two reporters right now with me, Iram and Khushbu. You would be actually listening to their voices. Iram, you tell me what is your message?
My message to everyone is stop projecting women as submissive. Stop getting dominant. हम Men's Day celebrate नहीं करते because men are dominant and women are not. We are celebrating Women's Day. We want equal rights. We don't want gender discrimination at all.
Okay, gender discrimination. Khushbu.
I want to say that women should not be judged on the basis of their clothes because mostly मैंने देखा है कि कोई लड़की चल रही है, वहाँ से कोई आ रहा है तो वो like उसने अगर जीन्स पहना है तो जीन्स में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इसने जीन्स पहना है, ये गंदी लड़की है, खराब लड़की है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दिल साफ होना चाहिए लड़की का. मोस्टली हम देखते हैं बहुत चीप वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं बॉयज लड़की के लिए. अरे इसने जीन्स पहना है, ये क्या है, ये क्या कर रही है. ये बहुत गलत बात है. एक लड़की को जज नहीं करना चाहिए ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द क्लॉथ्स.
Good, Khushbu. So, dear viewers, there are so many viewpoints coming out of this women lot. They speak about respect, honor, dignity, integrity of women. So, these are the real things. Now, with me is another girl student. Please, you tell me what's your viewpoint today about International Women's Day.
Well, my message to everyone is that please do remember one thing, that women is not just equal to men, they are above men.
Okay.
In every field, and they can do whatever they want to and nobody can stop them. So
I think the viewers would kill me if men viewers are there. Okay, women is above men. You Ikra, right now with me is Ikra, who has actually done miracles when it comes to the women empowerment. इकरा, आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा? You belong to रफियाबाद. आज क्या पैगाम रहेगा आपको? जो लड़कियां आपको इस वक्त हमारी चैनल पे देख रही हैं, उनके लिए आप क्या कहेंगे?
लिबर्टी टू वुमेन,
Yes.
आज़ादी मिलनी चाहिए.
आजादी
जी.
किस चीज की आजादी?
मतलब हर चीज़ की आज़ादी, कुछ करने की, जिसको कुछ बनना हो, मतलब उनको अलो नहीं करते हैं, उनको अलो करना चाहिए. उनकी
करना
आज़ादी.
चाहिए.
जी, उनको भी कुछ ख्वाब होते हैं बनने के.
ओके, थैंक यू. आप बताएं, अपना नाम बताएं.
I'm Safia. I want to say that women should be given their respect and honor और लड़कियों को किसी हर एक फील्ड में आगे जाना चाहिए without any restriction.
ओके, आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
I would like to quote Iqbal, वजूद ज़न से है कायनात में रंग. So I think men folk they should respect women, क्योंकि मतलब औरतों के अंदर इतना जो लावा भर गया, अगर वो फिर उभर के आ गया, फिर आदमियों को अपनी प्रोटेक्शन करनी पड़ेगी.
बिल्कुल, फिर तो हमारी खैर नहीं है. तो नासरीन, आपसे अब इजाजत लेना चाहेंगे. We would actually right now, as this broadcast was brought to you from this higher secondary girls school, higher secondary. So we also believe, Kashmir Crown team believes in women equality. We actually believe that women should be respected. We believe that the women lot, although they speak about their rights, but they have also the responsibilities. Those responsibilities should be fulfilled by women as well. Thanks for watching this broadcast. With my team, Ashik Mir, Wani Majid, Abid Salam, Khushbu, Iram and Mudassir. This is Shahid Imran for Kashmir Crown News. Thank you.